Hi everybody, this is Steve from Score Art Glass. I'm here today to teach you how to do this Apex logo panel. I did this for my daughter for her new apartment and her game room. With that, let's go ahead and get started. So first part of this is I've kind of started looking at how I'm going to divide this up. I'm trying to make it into pretty larger pieces. This is the logo, and then I put one line there, so I'll have a break right there, and then I'll have one across here that will divide this section up a little bit. So this will be a little bit harder in this area to have a piece of glass. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to continue this line because this is going to be a different color. I'm going to continue this line down so it's just a much easier cut to the border. Same thing on this end. So you'll see that this edge right here might be a little challenging, but I think with the bit that I have, I can grind that and make it a pretty good sharp edge. And then the rest of this is pretty much there. This area will actually be a black. This area is going to be a red. This is going to be a textured clear glass. And then I will put a zinc border around it and a hanging chain. Now we're in step 2. Here's the pattern up close. As you can see, it's black, black, and red, and with the textured clear in the center. Now we're going to transfer over to the glass, and I will fast forward through this section. Now we're going ahead and grind our pieces to fit our design. I will fast forward through this section. Now that we have the soldering done, I added the edging on, and I added 3 copper tubings on to allow for the mounting of the LED lights. Once I've got that done, now we can go ahead and clean up the piece very well before we add the LED lights. Try a normal light, and then here's what it looks like with the LED lights lit up. You can change it from the white lights to the red, to the green, and to the blue. Well, I hope you like this project, and sure to subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what types of other projects you would like to see.